back to my channel. This is the second part of the video because in the last video of Elementor I was just introducing you all the options of Elementor, how you can apply all these options on when you are creating new page. Okay, and that one all the option I was introducing you, but I just introduced few option that one video. Now I just make second video for this is for you. Okay, this is a special video for you because I want to introduce all the other option as well, and you can also introduce it. Okay, let's go on the website and I will introduce all the other option which is left. Okay, let's go, and now I'm going my page. Last time I just introduced how you can apply all these things. Okay, last time I applied headings option and space. Okay, and about the image also, and now let's go, and I will introduce you how you can add an image as well. Okay, last time I added here space. Okay, and now let's go and how you can. So first you need to add here section, how many sections you want to add. Okay, and here they give us different type of sections like 3, 4, 5, 1 as you want. Okay, and here if I want to add section like that, okay, one is bigger, one is smaller, and let's go. I can change the background of these, and you can also change the style, but I'm just introducing you some other option. If I add here text editor, okay, here, okay, it will be editor, text editor here, and here I just apply some picture. Okay, and you can also add form here. Okay, if you want to add here. Okay, because it's also giving option add form here. You can also change the style as you want. You can also add here links. Okay, and you can also keep it full screen, toolbar. Okay, all these things align left right as you want. Okay, you can give bullets also, and let's go on the style option, what type of style you want to keep it. If you want to keep a line left right, text color. Okay, if I want to keep it blue, black, white, black. Okay, it will show you like that. Okay, let's go, and I just change the color, and you can see the live preview. Okay, and this is changing. Okay, and if I keep it white you can't see anything. Okay, and here we are. Let's go and try typography. Okay, and okay, I want, if I want to change the style of headings. Okay, what type of style I want to add for the for the alphabets. Okay, and if I want to system like the others, if I want to apply it, I can also apply all these terms as you want. And you can also change the size. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can also change it. You can see it, I'm just changing the size, and it's completely changing, but it doesn't look right to me. Okay, and you can also transform. Okay, and if now I will add here any video, like I want to add video here. So when I want to add video here on my page, I just drag and drop video option. Okay, here when I will drag and drop, they will give me a video option. Okay, and here I can get video placeholder, like I also Elementor website builder for WordPress, they give us the video. Okay, I can also add it. Okay, you can also add source, Vimo, daily motion, self-hosted. Okay, you can also add here link, start time, end time, autoplay, mute. Okay, if I click here autoplay, it will be automatically, when you will come here, it will automatically play. Okay, and if you want to play on mobile, then I will also put here a mobile option as well. Okay, if you want to mute it, if you want to move a loop, all these things you can apply one by one. Okay, you can also keep a privacy mode. If you will keep it privacy mode, you will see it will be privacy mode also. Okay, all these things, just current video. You can also put here any video as you want. You can also image overlay as well. Okay, you can also apply here. When it will be apply image overlay, you will see I can also run another image here. Okay, and the image size, what type of size I want to add it, you can also apply here. Okay, you must understand. You can also add the style. Okay, you can change the color, size, shadow as you want. And if you go on advanced options, you can also change the margin size like 67. You can see it, the size of the video, is going to be decreased. Okay, like 90, I just put here 97. Okay, you can see it's completely changed. If I want to add padding, okay, and when I will click here 909, you see is how it's going to be changed. Okay, you see the size of the video is going to be changed. The text, if you don't want to add here, okay, you will write here all these things, the index, SST, margin, text, pro, okay, ID, CSS class, motion effect, what type of motion effect you want. You can also put here background, okay, what type of fade in, fade down. When I will click on this, it will be fade in, down, left, right, zooming. Okay, like I apply zooming, so it will be zooming as well. Okay, the fade in left, you can see it how it's fade. I just applied fade in left, fade in down. As you can see it how it's working. Okay, and animation duration fast. If I keep it fast, you will see how it's fastly is coming down. Okay, and if I put here background, okay, and I just click here and I put background behind the video. Okay, and I just click here and you need to insert media, and it will be inserted behind the picture. Okay, and when I will publish it, it will ask the background type, what type of want to, and where I want to keep it position. I can also change the position, center, left, right, as I want to keep it. Scroll, default, okay, repeat, and size, what type of I can cover it. Okay, like all these things I just applied on behind this. Okay, and you can also add border. What you want to add border, you can also add border, positioning, response, the attributes, custom CSS also. Okay, but I just introducing of the Elementor option one by one, so you must be understand how you can add video. Okay, it will be how it will be added. Okay, and how it will work. Okay, on the video. Okay, and let's go. And now I am going to show you about the another option, how you can add inner section. First you need to add here section. Okay, how many types of section you want to add. If I want to add 2, okay, you can see it. Okay, alright, let's go and drag and drop here. But another option, you need to click on this box, drop. Okay, when you will click here, I have RT headings, image, text editor, video, and now I'm going to introduce to inner section, how you can add inner accent section like that. Okay, when you will click on inner section, it will give you 2 boxes inside the one box. Okay, you can box it, you want to change it like 1 to 1. Okay, and you can change the background as you want. You just need to click on the edit inner section, it will be changing like that. Okay, let's see what I want to keep here. Okay, I want to change layout, column gap. Okay, all these things you must be understand how you can add it. Okay, now let's go and other option, and I just going to show you divider, about divider. Okay, when you will add divider, it will divide into 2 pages. You can see it is divided now. Okay, and you have got a line between this. Okay, and you can also add something text. Okay, like divider, store, like I just add here text, store, like You can see it. Okay, you can also icon library. Have you got it? You can also add it. Okay. Okay, I just want to add anything like I will like it like okay, swimming. Okay, and I insert it. You will see I have got the option here in swimming. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you and other option. Okay, like navigator. What of the navigator you can add. Okay, and you can. Okay, here we are. Okay, if I want navigator, I just click here and you will see I've got an other. Okay, like I have got the box. Okay, this is I can also zoom it. London I location is giving me location. You can see it. Okay, like that. You must be understand. It's giving me directions of London London United Kingdoms. Okay, you know, must be understand. I just added the location where I am now, so it's giving me lastminute.com London iconic riverside. Okay, alright, let's go, and I'm going to explain another option. You can see it is giving my location there. Okay, I can also get directions as well where I am. Okay, now let's go on the store option, and I'm not explaining one by one all these options. Okay, my video is going to be too long. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.